Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we are going to unbox this Max Men flip flops. See here, 4 days back, I ordered this on the Flipkart. I got this for 400 rupees and 9 rupees is the delivery charge. See, this is the men flip flops. We're just going to unbox this. I'll just take it out and let me check what is the quality and is it worth for this price 399 or 400. Yeah, let me open this. Yeah, see here, just in the package only the flip-flops, and this may be the bill. Yeah, the invoice, and these are the flip-flops, and there is a orange strip and orange strip throughout this flip-flops. I'll be checking the cushioning here. Yeah, see here, and this remote is the Orient Electric BLDC fan, which I made an unboxing video and review also. Orient BLDC electric fan. If you want review or unboxing of this video, please do find it in the description. And I bought this for 2700 rupees. Okay, coming back. Yeah, see, the main thing the user ordered these flip-flops is this because of this zigzag sort of things, means comfort to the feet, means not everyone will like this, but the user who purchased this for 400 rupees literally like this feel, means this grippy feel, and this is of pure yeah, this is the material of rubber sort of thing. Yeah, this is overall the look of this flip-flops. Maybe I'll try to walk a little bit so that I can test the sound while walking. So these are rubber sort of material, and this is of cloth material, a solid cloth, and the inside part is again not exactly rubber but rubber sort of feel. Yeah, let me just for a bit. Yeah, when you wear, yeah, the comfort is pretty good. And please do comment how do you feel about this Max flip-flops from the Max brand, and yeah, currently what brand of slippers or the sandals or the flip-flops are you using. Please do comment so that I'll also get to know what users are using mostly for the footwear. Yeah, please do comment, and if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And I'm going to receive one more product today, this iBlogger printed men polo dark blue t-shirt, which is of this one. So I'll be unboxing that also. Maybe I'll be keeping that in the description too.